Well, it's been about a month since Thrive announced its shutdown, and it's been quite a tumultuous month. And of course, the question is, where do we go from here? So, I have now found another company, freeze dried food company, that I'm going to be going with, and I wanted to tell you about it. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the process and to be completely open and transparent here. I have been meeting with the Thrive Life Advisory Board and some of the other consultant leaders, about maybe 12 to 15 of us. We've been doing a lot of Zoom calls in the past couple of weeks, and we have been looking for and vetting other freeze dried food companies. And we basically came down to two that we're looking at that's in the final selection. Um, we didn't want to go with just some of the big, main known ones like Augustin Farms or Patriot Supply or anything like that. Um, but anyway, let me tell you about the one that I have selected. It's called Thrivalist, um, and it has all of the freeze-dried food that we want, but it also has a lot more to do with prepping and survival than Thrive Life did. So in an emergency, we don't want to just survive; we want to thrive. So that's why it's called Thrivalist. Now, to be honest and open, some of the other consultant leaders are looking at the other company. Some are actually thinking about doing both. But for me, I have chosen Thrivalist, so I wanted to tell you about it. Now, this is a company that it has a main storefront in Utah, in Salt Lake, and it has a website where they've been selling their things through the storefront and through the website, but they didn't have any kind of a direct marketing sales plan or whatever at all. So we've actually been working with Marcelo, the owner of the company, to develop that. And it's not going to be a multi-level business, an MLM. It's going to be an affiliate program, a two-tier affiliate program. So basically, you can sign up as an affiliate, and anything that you sell will bring you a 10% commission, same as Thrive Life. You can sign up one level underneath of you, and anything that they sell, you will earn 2% commission, same as Thrive Life. So it's just like that, but instead of going down 3 levels or more, it only goes down one extra level, you and one more. There are some advantages to that, and there are some disadvantages to that. But building a multi-level compensation plan and all that kind of stuff is very complicated, and a lot of legalities you have to deal with. The affiliate program is simple. And so we've been working with Marcelo to set that affiliate program in place, and I'm very happy with it. But let me take you to the website and show you what we're looking at here. This is pretty cool. Okay, so this is the Thrivalist homepage, and there are a few things up here, but first let me show you the food. They have, their brand is actually called Ready Harvest, and this is their own brand, and it's fairly extensive in the fruits and vegetables. They don't have as much as Thrive, but they have quite a bit. Fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, beans. Now, I do need to say that at this point, they do not have meat, and so they've partnered with Mountain House to sell Mountain House meats. And the first order that I placed with them, I actually got some of the Mountain House ground beef, and I found it to be every bit as good as Thrive Life ground beef was. So I think they're eventually going to be adding meat and cheese to their own lineup, to the Ready Harvest lineup. But for right now, they don't have that. Um, they also have right here a food sample offer, and this is pretty cool. This is normally $99, but you as an affiliate can offer a discount coupon that will get it to them for just $29.97, and this includes a sample of 14 of the products, plus you also get the VIP course, which is $597 value. Now this is a video course, and I'll show that to you in a minute, and you get that free when you buy this packet, which is really amazing to me. So you can look at some of these other things if you want. They don't have a whole lot here in these other categories, but they're building it. So here in education, they've got a couple of books, but here's the VIP course that you get for free when you buy that sample kit. And you see that complete recordings, background sessions, over 20 hours of extra content, and elite experts, all at your own pace and with lifetime access. So when you get that, you get 20 hours of video that will, by many different people, that will give you everything you need to know to be fully prepared, not just with food, but everything, to be a true Thrivalist. And then there's also other courses available. This is a $3,000 course that is just the top of the line, teaching you everything you need to know to be a Thrivalist, survivalist, prepper, all that kind of stuff. So you can see that they have a lot more than Thrive Life did. Now, I want to take you to the home page, not the home page, the back office, and show you that here's the commission plan. For anything that you sell that's ready harvest, their food cans, you're going to earn 10%. For Mountain House pouches, they have some of the Mountain House meals, you earn 5%. For any of the Mountain House cans, you're going to earn 7%. And then for any of the Thrivalist video courses, training courses, you're going to earn 20%. That's huge. So if somebody buys the big course, the $3,000 course, you're going to get a $600 commission on that. Can you imagine that? And then right up here, if you invite others and also spread the word, you get a 2% override on their sales. So looking a little closer at the back office here, you see this is my referral link right there. That's where I send customers, and that's thrivalist.com. If I want to send somebody to become an affiliate, then I use this link, which is mythrivalist.com, and then it's, referenced to me so I get the credit. Now, if you are interested in checking out the sample pack that they have and that course, this is my referral code, my coupon code for that, Bill Keller 70. So if you would like to get that course, go to the website, click on the sample kit, and then use the code Bill Keller 70, and instead of $99, you'll get it for $29. Now, you can't actually just go to their website and sign up as an affiliate. There's no link on the website for the affiliate program. There are two different links. So as an affiliate, you would have one link that you would send to your potential customers, and then anybody that you think might be interested in building a business, you can send them the affiliate link where they can sign up as an affiliate. So in the email or in the text that I just sent you, or in the description down below here on Facebook, I will give you both of those links. If you want to check it out as a customer, then there's the link there. If you want to become a consultant, it's free, by the way, to become a consultant. There's no fee to become I keep saying consultant, sorry, affiliate. I'm still using Thrive terms, but it's free to become an affiliate. There's no charge for that. So check it out. Check out the website. Check out the affiliate program. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can respond down below, or you can text me back, and I would be happy to answer all of your questions. I'm excited about this one. I've talked to Marcelo many times. He's very, very accommodating. And like I said, we are helping him build out his affiliate program, and he's kind of looking at us as partners to advise him on how to do that portion of the business. He's also very open to anything that we want to do as far as, different products, that sort of thing. So I'm excited about it. Check it out. I hope you will be too.